Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean or vacuum your ashes from your Pit Boss. This is a Pit Boss Pro Series. So we're going to be removing the ashes step by step. So I'm going to get straight right into it. So
alright, first we're going to be talking about what tools are we going to use. So we don't really need any tools besides a vacuum cleaner. And I recommend a vacuum cleaner with the extended hose, because it lets you move around more freely. So that's pretty much what we're gonna use. And yeah, just any vacuum cleaner and a Pit Boss, and that's basically all you need.
alright, so the first step is to remove the parts, the cooking grids.
So the first part we're gonna remove is the upper cooking rack, and none of these parts require any tools to be removed.
So the first part we're going to remove is the upper cooking grid, which is this part right here, on here on top. And we're just going to set this to the side.
We then need to remove the 3 cooking grids, which should be located right under the cooking rack.
The next part is to remove the 3 cooking grids. So right here should be very easy to take out. Right here. Yeah, so let me just take this off first.
Our next step is to remove the flame boiler control lever. It should be located next to the grease bucket.
Alright, so the next step is to remove the flame boiler plates. In order to do so, you have to remove the flame boiler control lever, which should be located in the bottom. So right, what I'm gonna do is just remove it and just pull it out. There you go. Just put this to the side real quick.
After that, we are able to remove the flame boiler slider.
Alright, so now we're gonna remove the flame boiler slider. Just be a small plate. Easy. There's no screws attached to it. You're good.
Lastly, we will remove the flame boiler main plate.
Lastly, we're gonna remove the flame boiler main plate. So then we remove this, and then if you have another Pit Boss, just make sure you remove all the plates, and you're just left with the diffuser plate, which you'll see right now. So right here, just put this to the side.
Your diffuser plate should look something like this, but with ashes. And just a reminder, it's important to clean out your ashes once in a while, because if you don't clean them, then they'll pile up and a fire could potentially happen, which can lead up to burn your whole grill. So that's why it's important to clean your ashes once in a while.
So now you're left with the diffuser plate. Now we're gonna be using the vacuuming method. Just basically get a vacuum, clean all the ashes up, and yeah, any vacuum will work. Just something that works. So let's get straight to vacuuming it. So the final step is to vacuum it, which should be like the easiest, depending on how good are you at vacuuming, I guess. So let's get started.
So right here, I'm just vacuuming the ashes left to right, and just like making sure there's no ashes on the diffuser plate.
Should be good now. And all we need to do is just put things back together and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you guys want to see more videos on Pit Boss or some cooking videos, I don't know if you guys want to see me cook or not, but subscribe, comment, say that you, I don't know, say something, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, peace out.